how to see the ATR or average true range in TradingView. This is what I will show you in this video. I've already displayed it here. This line, the brown color line, is the average true range. I'm not here to explain what it is and how does it work and what do you use it. This tutorial is only for how to display it, so both on the charts as well as on the stock screener. So I'm just going to first remove that is already displayed, and we will go into the indicators and we will search for ATR, average true range. We are going to click it, and once the first time you click it, it will be displayed in a separate window below the volume bar, or in case there are more indicators here. But there is a way of moving it into the main chart also. I am sure that you know that. You just need to click here, move to existing pane above. It will come in the volume window. Then you can do it one more time, existing pane above, and it will reach here. So this is your average true range, and I am sure that you can you would know that you can customize it from here. You can, if you want to see the average true range of maybe last 21 days, you can do that. From here you can make the line a bit thicker and change its color, and that's how you display it on the chart. But if you are interested in seeing how can you display it in the stock screener, you can watch the video from here onward. Otherwise, thanks for watching till here. Okay, for all those who are interested in knowing that how to display it in the stock screener, you can display it as a filter at the top also, and you can display it as a column in the stock screener also. I am sure that if you go through all these tabs, you would find ATR in one of these. You can just go and click different tabs and you would find somewhere. But let me check in this performance. Okay, leave it. We would find it how to do it in the custom tab, or in any tab for that matter. Just click this plus icon and click in the search bar, click for ATR, and interestingly you can display the ATR also, and you can display the ATR percentage also if you want to see it in the percentage. And for example, the ATR for this stock is 0.66, otherwise it is 4.10, and you can also display it as a filter at the top, same the percentage as well as the actual one. And from here you can do the manual calculation. Like let's say you want to see the stocks which have the ATR greater than 1, you can select that. So that's how you can see the ATR in the stock screener, both as a filter and as a column.